everyone, I'm happy to be back today for a new video, and it's my Hobonichi weeks planner setup for 2020 already. We are just the 26th of December right now when I'm filming, and it's just crazy how 2019 I've just passed. So we are going to talk about this one. So I already did some stuff, like you can see it's already bulky, but that's okay. So I do have a plastic cover that I bought on the same times that my planner on the website, and I use jet pens this year. I use the Sideweb's jet pens, and I just put a vinyl decals over here on the cover. That's pretty simple. I'm pretty sure I'm going to use my Foxy-Fix cover, but since I'm still in my 2019, I just have this one here first. So let's have a look what it's inside. So when you open it first, you have a washi dashboard that's just so beautiful, and I mainly use Simply Gilded, and this one is from the Planner Society. That's just so beautiful. I love this one. Then we have another washi dashboard, and this time I have Pack a Post Mail, the Pink Room Co, and Simply Gilded. I have my initial over here, and on the top I just have a washi like that. So that's a lot of washi, and it's a lot decorative, and I just love it. So that's it. And then we have nothing. I didn't think about anything about this page yet. And then I did glue some pages so we can start directly on January. So I did all my monthly for the year until December. So that's the point, is to be functional. So if I have an appointment schedule or anything scheduled in the next month, I can put it here. This is my on-the-go planner, so I want it to be really functional, but I want it to be pretty. So I did plan ahead all the months. So you have the January one, February, March, April, May, that's my birthday's month, obviously. Then we have June, July, August, September, October, November, and lastly December. So as you can see, I didn't use any pre-made kit. I just use what I have in my stash. So a lot of the leftover, a lot of washi, and some deco stickers. So that's really what I wanted to have. So that was the monthly. I still have January, just January, but I'm pretty sure I'm going to glue down the page because I don't need it, but just in case I will have it. So for now I'm just keeping it. And then we start with some how do you say that? Note pages. Since I wanted to start it from 2020 and not in late November, December when the planner actually starts, I just use the pages as a notes page. And well, this one is for my video ideas. Then we have another one that it's my to buy list for the house, what I need for each room. Then I have this one like that and one like that, and then it goes to my weekly. And as you can see, I plan all my weeks. I mean, like all the week until the end, except the two last one, Christmas and the New Year, because again I wanted to have new stuff for these two, because I don't have things that was, or kits that was matching Christmas or New Year. So I already planned everything. Since I do have a ton of kit, I wanted to use what I have this year. I'm really aiming to not hoarding and to use, so I can buy another things, other kit, other stuff when I will be done with what I have. So I'm pretty happy with that. So all my weeks are marked with, for example, we have the shop and name of the kit or what it looks like, so it doesn't have a name. So that's everything for this section. And then at the back you have some notes page, and again I just decorated a few of them already. I think I just did 4. So we have this one, this one, this one, and the last one is this one. So like I said already, it's really to be functional. I already have space to write down everything I want, and it's pretty. So that's just it. I still have a ton, but for now, since I didn't use that much on my other planner, I doesn't want it to do all the pages, because obviously it's going to be so chunky at the end, so I didn't want that. So that's it. And when you go at the end, so I'll just play around on these pages because I didn't want it to be blank. And finally we have the washi page for the end, and this time is on copper and rose gold with, well, it's all simply gilded. Yeah, it's all simply gilded. So that's everything, and on the back I have nothing. So that's from my on the go planner, and I'm going to insert just after the plan with me for the first week, and we are using the GP Sticker Studio for it was a mystery kit from October, and it's just matching completely for the new year. So we are going to plan the week from the 30th to the 5th of January 2020. Oh my god. Okay, so let's just move to the plan with me. So for the plan with me, as I said, we're going to use this kit, and so I'm just going to show you quickly the sheets. So we have this one with 4 boxes and washi. This one is more functional, some more washi with some macarons, beautiful. The dead strips, and we have the overlay as well. So let's begin over here. So we can obviously remove this because we are not going to use it anymore. And so I just have to find maybe something later on to stay flat. Let's see. Yep, we can use something like that. Yeah, not the best, but it will goes. So I'm just going to move to the music and to a faster speed. So I will talk to you when everything's done.
Oh baby, I wanted you to be here inside my arms where the night goes down. Oh baby, I wanted you to be here when the sun comes up and the day goes by.
Okay, so that's pretty much everything for this coming week. Obviously I don't have a ton planned yet because it's like in 2 weeks, but I will fill out it going if I have things coming. And usually what I do, it's the weekend, when the week is beginning, I just pre-plan if I have new stuff, and after each night I just plan for the day ahead, so that's easier. But I don't have everything on this planner since it's supposed to be really functional and on the go, so I have main things. And well, that's how it sounds like. It's okay for me, and this page is not that full, but that's okay. Depending of the week, it will be more fill, or depending of the style of planning of the stickers I will be using, it will be different. But for this week, it's like that. So I use the dead dot from Cozy Paper Co, and they are the small one, the Hobonichi size, and they are just perfect. So it's on silver, even if the rest it's on holographic. It's totally fine for me, because for me it's kind of the same and it just mixed together really well. So that's everything. I'm really happy to be on this new planner. I hope you like my little setup. I'm waiting for some tabs, so I probably will show you that in the next plan with me when I will have them. So yeah, I will stop talking because that's, I think it's enough for now. And if you like it, please put a thumbs up. And if you're already subscribed to my channel, thank you very much. And if you're not, I wish you will consider subscribe. And for me, I will see you in my next video. Bye!